Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. And here we have square root of 2 plus 1 and its whole power x plus square root of 2 minus 1 and its whole power x equals to 6, and here we find the value of x. So that the very first thing we are going to do is here first you focus on this term, and here we write this term as square root of 2 minus 1. So we have square root of 2 minus 1, and when we rationalize this pair, then you get here square root of 2 minus 1 multiplied by square root of 2 plus 1 over square root of 2 plus 1. So here we just rationalize this only one factor, and we have a minus b times of a plus b, so it will be equals to 2 minus 1 over square root of 2 plus 1, and it is equals to 1 over square root of 2 plus 1. So it means that over square root of 2 minus 1 equals to 1 over square root of 2 plus 1. So now we substitute this value of square root of 2 minus 1 in the given equation, in this equation here, so that our given equation will becomes, so here we write square root of 2 plus 1 and its whole power x, plus we put the value of this expression, and it is 1 over square root of 2 plus 1 and its whole power x equals to 6. So here we take this exponent on this term and we write it as square root of 2 plus 1 and its whole power x plus 1 over square root of 2 plus 1 and its whole power x equals to 6. So after that, here we take y equals to square root of 2 plus 1 and its whole power x. So when we substitute this value in the above equation, then our this equation will becomes y plus 1 over y equals to 6. So here we multiply both of the sides by y, then you get y square plus y multiplied by 1 over y equals to 6 times of y. And after that you get here a nice quadratic equation, which is y plus, here these are cancelled by each other, and we get y square plus 1 minus 6 times of y equals to 0. So here when we rearrange this equation, then you get y square minus 6y plus 1 equals to 0. So now we make the factors of this equation, and here we have a equals to 1, b equals to minus 6, and c equals to 1. And now we use here the quadratic formula. So we have y equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So here we put all the values of a, b and c in this equation, then you get here we have the value of b is minus 6, so this minus times of minus becomes plus 6 plus minus square root of b square, so our b is minus 6 and minus 6 square becomes 36, minus 4 times of a and c both are 1, so we write it as 4 and it is divided by 2. And now we write it as y equals to 6 plus minus square root of 36 minus 4 becomes 32 divided by 2. And now we write this 32 as 6 plus minus 16 multiplied by 2 and its whole square root divided by 2. And now here you know that the square root of 16 equals to 4 times of square root of 2 divided by 2. And now here we separate these two terms and we get 3 plus minus 2 times of square root of 2. And now here we have two cases. So the first case is we write y equals to 3 plus 2 times of square root of 2, and the second case is y equals to 3 minus square root of 2 times of 2. And now here we back substitute the value of y, and here you see that we take y equals to square root of 2 plus 1 and its whole power x. So we put this value here and we call this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So now first we solve equation number 1. So from 1 we have y equals to 3 plus 2 times of square root of 2, and we have 3 plus you put the value of y, and our y is square root of 2 plus 1 and its whole power x equals to 3 plus square root of 2. And now in the next step we write this 3 as, here you have left hand side is square root of 2 plus 1 and its whole power x equals to 2 plus 1 plus 2 times of square root of 2. We write this 3 as 2 plus 1. And now here we write this 2 as square root of 2 and its whole square, plus we write 1 as 1 square, plus we write this expression as 2 times of square root of 2 into 1. So now here when you focus on this expression, then you see that it will becomes the complete square of square root of 2 plus 1. So we write it as square root of 2 plus 1 and its whole square. In the left hand side we have square root of 2 plus 1 and its whole power x. So here you focus on both of the sides and you see that the bases on both of the sides are same, so that we equate its exponents, and this implies that the first value of x becomes 2. So this is our first value, and now we focus on equation number 2. So this is our equation number 2, in which we have y equals 3 minus 2 times of square root of 2. So now we write here second case. So we have from 2, so 2 equation is y equals to 3 minus 2 times of square root of 2. And here we again back substitute the value of y. So the value of y is square root of 2 plus 1 and its whole power x equals to, if we have 3 minus 2 times of square root of 2. And here we again write this 3 as 2 plus 1 minus 2 times of square root of 2, and we again write this square root as square root of 2 square plus 1 square minus 2 times of square root of 2 into 1. So now we complete the square of the right hand side and we get square root of 2 minus 1 and its whole square. But in the left hand side we have square root of 2 plus 1 and its whole power x. So here in the start of the question we write square root of 2 minus 1 equals to 1 over square root of 2 plus 1. So we put the value of square root 2 minus 1 here in the right hand side, and we put this expression equals to 1 over square root of 2 plus 1 and its whole square. So now first we separate the square of on both of the terms, and we get 1 over square root of 2 plus 1 and its whole square. And now we move the square root of 2 plus 1 to the upsides, and we write it as square root of 2 plus 1 and its whole power minus 2. But in the left hand side we have square root of 2 plus 1 and its whole power x. So now we compare both of the sides, and you see that we have bases are same, so that we equate its exponent, and here we get the value of x equals to minus 2. So this is our final answer, and the first value of x is minus 2 and the second value is x equals to plus 2. So these are the two solutions of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.